iSunshare CloneGo is the 7-day free trial Windows cloning software to download and use for everyone. Firstly, you need to run CloneGo and click Copy in the left menu. Then, you can view there are two hard drives on the computer. One is in Dynamic and the other is in Basic. Now, you need to select a dynamic disk boot partition as a source target for copy. Then, select a volume from SSD to hold the source partition data. After that, click Start and you will get a tips box about the formatting of destination target. Next, click OK to begin the clone process. After that, CloneGo will automatically copy dynamic disk data to the basic disk. You just need to wait for the result.